So, pump is the device which is used to lift or convey water from one place to another place. Okay, how to lift that water? By adding the pressure energy. By adding the pressure energy. How to add pressure energy? By converting mechanical energy into the hydraulic energy. Okay, so if we add the pressure energy into the water, at that time we can lift the water. Then next one is the this is the classification of a pump. So two type mainly, classification is divided mainly in two types: positive displacement pump and the rotodynamic pump, out of which we have two pumps in our syllabus. First one is the reciprocating pump and second one is the centrifugal pump. Yeah, out of this we have seen reciprocating pump. Reciprocating pump is the positive displacement pump. In that again two types of the reciprocating pump. First one is the single acting reciprocating pump and another one is the
Double acting.
yeah, correct, double acting reciprocating pump. So have you written notes of this in your language?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मागच्या वेळेला मी विचारलं होतं कोणाला वाचून दाखवा म्हणून तुमच्या डिव्हिजन मध्ये.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think we are on next slide on the centrifugal pump in your division. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Have you drawn this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will explain here construction and working of the centrifugal pump. See, this pump is very important pump because this pump is mostly used at every places. Most of the applications, in most of the applications, this centrifugal pump is used. So centrifugal, it means do you know centrifugal force?
Yes, sir.
What is that? Can anyone? Centrifugal, away from the central. Whenever there is a rotation at that time, if some body is rotating about the center, it means, and that body centrifugal force is acting, which is forcing to that body into the outward direction. Okay, जर माझ्या हातामध्ये पाण्याची एक बॉटल भरून घेतली मी, ओके, आणि ती जर अशी मी माझ्या भोवती अशी गोल गोल फिरवायला लागलो जोरात त्याचं टोपण ओपन करून, तर ज्या ठिकाणी त्याचा एंड आहे म्हणजे टोपण जिथं ओपन केलेलं आहे तिथं त्याच जागेवरती त्याचं पाणी पडेल का?
नो. नाही.
ते काय पडेल? थोडंसं लांब अंतरावरती पडेल. का ते लांब अंतरावरती पडेल? कारण त्याच्यामध्ये रोटेशन केल्यामुळे जो काही फोर्स तयार झालेला आहे त्याच्यामुळे ते पाणी थोड्याशा अंतरावरती पडेल. सो दिस फोर्स इज कॉल्ड ॲज द सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स. Okay, so this concept is used here. So before that I will tell you some things. This is the front view of the pump. Again it is a sectional view. So the pump is like that. If suppose this is the pump, okay, I will draw here side view. Okay, this is the casing. Then in that casing, this one is the impeller, and one pipe attached here. This is the suction pipe, and to that suction pipe, footwall arrangement. Footwall arrangement, have you seen that footwall arrangement?
Yes, sir.
मराठीमध्ये त्याला आपण बऱ्याच ठिकाणी गाडगं म्हणतो बघा. त्याच्यामध्ये स्ट्रेनर आणि नॉन रिटर्न वॉल असतात. स्ट्रेनर आणि नॉन रिटर्न वॉल. सो वन शाफ्ट इज देअर विच कम आउट फ्रॉम दी मोटर. So this is the motor. Motor is the electrical part. Okay, this motor is run with the help of current. Okay, so on pole, have you observed pole, electric pole?
Yes.
How many wires are there on that pole?
3.
How many? जर असतील तर बघा जवळपास कुठे डांब असेल तुमच्या इथं तर
5.
त्याच्यावरती 4 लाईन्स असतात.
4.
ओके, नाउ वाय दिस 4 लाईन्स आर देअर, असा प्रश्न बऱ्याच वेळेला आपल्या मनात येत नाही. ओके, so these 3 lines, first 3 lines from the top, these 3 lines are for the main current source. Okay, these 3 lines are for main current source, and the fourth one, last one, is for earthing. Last one is for earthing. Now if suppose motor is of 3 phase, have you listened before that? 3 phase, 2 phase,
Yes, sir.
or,
Yes,
or
sir.
single phase? So these motors
sir.
are generally, if the motor is of 3 phase, then we have 3 wires taken out from the motor. So 3 windings are there into that motor. So this wires directly connected to the main current source. Not directly, one more device is here in between, which is that
Starter.
starter. Correct, starter is there. So fuses are there, 3 fuses are there. If suppose if there is some problem in the pump, at that time we have to we have to remove that fuses, and then we can check that, okay, to troubleshoot the problem. So whenever 3 phase current is there, your motor will start. If, okay, if the motor is of single phase, it means when a motor of 1 HP or 2 HP. Okay, for low load, if load is very low, we require very small amount of water, where in city, to lift water from ground level to the upper into the tank which is on the building. Okay, to lift this water we can use 1 HP or 2 HP motor. Okay, HP means horsepower, or we can say it is depends on the head, that is height. So to run these motors 1 HP or 2 HP, we can use single phase current, that is 1 wire from the earthing and 1 wire from any one of the main current. Okay, so this is generally used for many of the devices, small devices like our TV, tubes, fans. Okay, all this device, our computer, we can run on this single phase. Have you got it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, this is
Yes.
related to the motor. We can say this is the extra knowledge. This is not part of our syllabus, but here we have, आपल्या मराठी भाषेमध्ये मग त्याला पेटी म्हणतो बघा. पेटीमध्ये 3 फ्युजेस असतात, एक स्टार्टर असतो. ओके, जर आपण त्याला ऑटो बसवला तर तिथं ऑटो हे असतो. ओके, जो 3 फेजची लाईट तिन्ही याच्यामध्ये लाईट आली तर ऑटो काय करतो, ऑटोमॅटिक मोटर स्टार्ट करतो. Okay, so when this current flows into the motor, the flux is created here. So due to that, force is applied on the shaft and the shaft start rotating. So this shaft start rotating. Okay, shaft can be start rotating into the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and this shaft is connected or fitted, this impeller is fitted on this shaft. So here this electrical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. If the shaft start rotating, it means electrical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now our fan. If fan start rotating, then again electrical energy is converted into the mechanical energy. Okay. Tubes are we enlight the tubes. If we switch on the button of tubes, then electrical energy is again converted into the light energy. Okay, do you get it?
Yes, sir.
So here when shaft
sir.
start rotating, it means it is in that shaft there is a mechanical energy. Now we are going to use that mechanical energy to lift the water. So this is the side view of this impeller. Now before that there is one more pipe here. This pipe is the delivery pipe, suppose. Okay. Now one more question I have. Before starting of this machine, have you observed or not? I do not know. Please tell me. We have to fill water into that suction pipe, casing, up to the delivery wall. Have you observed before this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके. सो सगळ्यांनी मला वाटते बऱ्यापैकी ऑब्झर्व केलं असेल की मोटर्स चालू करायचे असेल तर त्याच्या अगोदर आपल्याला त्याच्यामध्ये पाणी भरावं लागतं. सो वी कॉल इट ॲज priming. So we can call this as priming. So what is mean by priming? Priming is nothing but it is the filling of water into the suction pipe, casing and up to the delivery wall. Okay. In centrifugal pump, priming is very necessary. Without priming, pump cannot deliver the water. Okay. Now this is the general idea about the centrifugal pump. So priming is also a very important question. Many times in the final interview of the companies, in the interview they ask what is mean by priming and why it is necessary. Okay, the first question all students can give answer, but for the second question many of the students are what we can say stuck at that point. What is mean by priming? Because all we have done that mug up pattern, whatever our pattern is there. Okay, to mug up the definitions पाठ करण्याचं जे काही तंत्र आहे ते आपल्या सगळ्यांना अवगत असतं आणि ते सगळ्यांनी केलेलं असतं. परंतु ते का गरजेचं आहे, ऍक्च्युअल काय त्याच्यामुळे होतंय, ह्या बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी स्टुडंट्सला माहीत नसतात. ओके. सो what is the priming? Priming is nothing but it is the filling of water into the suction pipe, casing and up to the delivery wall. Okay, this is the priming. Now I will tell you construction. So in construction, if you observe here, this water sump is here. Sump, we can say water tank at a ground level or below ground level. One strainer with footwall and strainer. So footwall, it means non-return wall or the one-way wall. We can say non-return wall or the one-way wall. It means water can enter into that pipe, suction pipe from the sump, but water cannot enter into the sump from the suction pipe. So this wall is called as the one-way wall, non-return wall. Okay, get it? म्हणजे याच्यामधून पाणी फक्त या सक्शन पाईप मध्ये जाऊ शकतं, परंतु सक्शन पाईप मधलं पाणी या वॉल मधून संप मध्ये येऊ शकत नाही. Okay. Another part is the strainer. So what is the function of strainer? Strainer, it means nothing but it is the what we can say filter. Okay, large filter well to avoid to enter sand particles. Some leaves are there from the mud particles are there if suppose they are in water. Then to avoid these particles enter into that suction pipe, this strainer is provided. Such strainers are provided. Got it?
Yes, sir.
फुटबॉल
Yes.
म्हणजे काय कळालं? त्याच्याबरोबर स्ट्रेनर एक आहे. नाव अनदर वन इज द सक्शन पाईप. So this one is the suction pipe, which one end of the suction pipe inserted into the sump and another end of the suction pipe is fitted to the casing at the eye of impeller. Eye means here is the eye of impeller, which is not shown in this diagram. Eye of impeller. So impeller having a circular opening at its front, it means at here one circular opening from which water can enter into the impeller. Okay, so water can enter from suction pipe to impeller. Then impeller is the very important component, very important component from this centrifugal pump. Okay, because impeller add centrifugal force on that pump where both kinetic energy and pressure energy is with the water. ओके, याला बॅकवर्ड व्हेन्स आहेत बघा. अशा इम्पेलर्स कसं आहेत तर इम्पेलर्स म्हणजे दोन प्लेट्स आहेत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये अशा वर आल्यासारख्या बॅकवर्ड व्हेन्स आहेत. व्हेन्स म्हणजे अशा आपण शिरा म्हणू शकतो मराठीमध्ये. दोडका बघितला,
Yes, sir.
त्याच्यावरती अशा शिरा असतात बघा वर आलेल्या.
Yes, sir.
हा, तर तशा प्रकारचा शिरा किंवा व्हेन्स मी तुम्हाला दाखवतो इथं. सी, दिस इज द ओपन सेमी ओपन इम्पेलर. हा असा इम्पेलर आहे. ऍक्च्युली याच्यावरती दुसरी एक प्लेट असते वरून आणि हा इथं ओपनिंग असते, त्याच्यामधून वॉटर काय होत असतं एंटर होतं याच्यामध्ये आणि हे ज्या वेळेला रोटेट होईल त्यावेळेला वॉटर याच्यामधून बाहेर पडतं, फेकलं जातं. ओके, याच्यामधून फ्रॉम दिस चॅनल्स water flows in outward direction due to centrifugal force. So here we have pressure energy as well as kinetic energy. Both energies are there. Okay, so this is the impeller. Now impeller is surrounded by casing. Impeller is surrounded by casing. Casing, it means there is a passage around the impeller. Okay, this one is the casing. There is the passage around this impeller, which is the area of the casing increases gradually. The area of that casing increases gradually. ओके, मी डायग्राम काढताना पण तुम्हाला सांगितलं की ते कॉन्सन्ट्रिक काढू नका, इसेंट्रिक काढा. बरोबर आहे, सांगितलं होतं ना तुम्हाला. So what is the purpose of that? The purpose is that when water leaves with the centrifugal force from the impeller, okay, so with water pressure energy and kinetic energy both are with the water. Okay, but we have to again convert that kinetic energy or the velocity of water into the pressure energy. And we know that when the diameter of pipe goes on increasing, what will increase? Kinetic energy will increase or pressure energy will increase according to the Bernoulli's theorem.
Pressure energy.
Pressure energy will increase. It means if the diameter of pipe goes on increasing, so the pressure will goes on increasing and velocity will decrease. Okay, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted only. So if the pressure energy increases, it means velocity goes on decreasing. So with the help of that, so such type of casings are provided where the area goes on increasing, so we can add or we can increase the pressure energy, which is our main motto, to lift the water. Yes or no? Yeah. So
Yes.
as we increase the pressure of the water, water can lift at a certain height, okay, as per the capacity of the pump. Do you get it? This water enters into the delivery pipe, and from delivery pipe at a certain height. So HS, it means suction head, and HD, it means delivery head. Suction head and the delivery head. This is depends on the P is equal to rho G H. It means H is equal to P by
GH.
rho G. So head is directly proportional to the pressure. It means if pressure goes on increasing, head we consider height here. Head will goes on increasing. If the density of liquid is more, okay, instead of water, if you use honey or some oil, at that time we get lower head for the same pump. Can you get it? तुम्हाला समजते ना? समजू शकता ना? Okay. It means if suppose the same pump is used to lift the oil which is having more density. Density म्हणजे, what is mean by density? In Marathi it is ghanata. Okay. So
Mass upon volume.
Mass upon volume. Correct. So this is inversely proportional to the head. Okay. Another factor is the gravitation. We consider gravitation is 9.81 all over, but there is difference. So we don't go in that much depth. We consider gravity as the same here. So it is depend on the gravity is same for oil, liquid and all this matter. But two factors which is very important, if we can add pressure more, so we will get more head. As pressure increases, head will increases. If the density of liquid is more, then head will drop. Get it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will start the pump. When we start the motor, when we start the starter, the current will flow towards the motor. Okay. So shaft start rotating. It means mechanical energy there. As shaft start rotating, this impeller is also start rotating. Okay, these vanes are again here in wrong direction. This vane should be like that. Okay. आता मी इरेज करू शकत नाही इथं. Because this impeller is rotating in this direction, anti-clockwise direction in this view. Okay. आपण म्हणतो बघा मोटर उलटी आहे, मोटर सवशी आहे असं म्हणतो ना मराठीमध्ये.
Yes, sir.
उलटी मोटर म्हणजे ही जर मोटर अशी फिरली, हा इम्पेलर जर असा फिरला तर ती उलटी झाली. We does not get required water. So if motor is rotating, in this case motor should rotate into the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Before that we have to do priming. When we doing priming, so water will be filled into that suction pipe. So whatever we fill water here will not leave into the sump. Why? What is the reason? आपण जे पाणी वरून ओततोय ते याच्यामध्ये जाणार नाही खाली. त्याचं कारण काय आहे? Not strainer.
Footwall.
Or the non-return wall. Instead of footwall, you can say footwall is the total combination of that non-return wall and the strainer. So you can say non-return wall. okay, or the one way wall. Okay, so if we feel that water here at every point, I will show here. If we feel water here, this one is not visible, so I use another color for water. So this is water here into that impeller casing and up to delivery oil, up to that one here. So as shaft start rotating, impeller also start rotating. Okay, so what will happen? Whatever water is here, now see carefully, yeah, very important thing, why it sucks the water. When we start this impeller, start that motor, impeller start rotating. So what will happen? Whatever water is there into that impeller, whatever water into that impeller, म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये जे काय पाणी आहे हे दिसते तुम्हाला, साइडच्या स्लाइड दिसतात.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so whatever water is present into that impeller, so what will happen? That water throws outside to the impeller because of the centrifugal force, because of the centrifugal force. So due to that, as this casing is the airtight passage, casing is the airtight passage, due to that what will happen? At the eye of that impeller, at here, eye of that impeller, vacuum is created, negative pressure is created. Okay, so to feel that negative pressure, the water which is just here takes that place. समजलं का नाही समजलं? Understood or not?
Sir, explains one more.
Okay, once again I will explain here. See here, हे बघा, when that shaft start rotating, okay, in this casing already water is present, okay, because we have done priming. Okay, so when this impeller start rotating, so whatever water available here in that impeller, okay, in that impeller, due to the centrifugal force, this water throws outside the impeller. Okay, up to that it is okay, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes.
water throws outside the impeller due to centrifugal force. Okay, now if this water goes outside that impeller, so in that impeller or at the eye of that impeller, vacuum is created. Okay, negative pressure is created. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As this water throws outside, as this water throws outside, one second. As we throw water outside, here due to centrifugal force water throws outside, so at that point into the impeller vacuum is created, negative pressure will create. Okay, so up to that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now to fulfill or to feel that vacuum म्हणजे कसं असतं माहित आहे का? व्हॅक्यूम म्हणजे अशी गोष्ट असते, भूक लागल्यानंतर आपल्याला कसं जेवण पाहिजे असतं. ओके, भूक लागल्यानंतर कसं जेवण पाहिजे असतं, जे आपल्या हाताच्या एरियामध्ये जे येतंय ते सगळं आपण खाण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. एम आय करेक्ट? म्हणजे घरामध्ये बसलोय, एका बाजूला टोपलं आपल्या हातात येतंय, दुसऱ्या बाजूला अजून काहीतरी हातात येतंय, ते जे काय आपल्या हाताला येत असेल तेवढं आपण खाण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. तसं ते व्हॅक्यूम आहे. इट ट्रायज टू फील, त्याच्या एरियामध्ये, त्याच्या कॅपॅसिटीमध्ये जेवढं येऊ शकतं तेवढं ते खेचून घेण्याचा प्रयत्न करतं व्हॅक्यूम. ही व्हॅक्यूमची काय आहे थोडक्यात, आपण प्रॉपर्टी म्हणू थोडक्यात. करेक्ट आहे?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So due to vacuum, there is a negative pressure. Negative pressure, it means it sucks something. If air is there, if air is present in that, it will suck air because it is easy to suck for the negative pressure. As density goes on increasing, it is hard to suck that liquid. But as the casing is airtight passage, there is no air. It means there is no air, but near to that vacuum, water is available. Now correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Near to that vacuum, water is available. With this water will suck towards that vacuum. And if this water sucks towards this side, this water sucks towards this side, here vacuum will create. To fill that vacuum, nearer water which is available here, it is moved towards this side. This water moves towards this side. Same process happening here. This water moves towards upper side. Now this is water which we have already filled at the time of priming. Now if this water moves in this direction, so at that point what will create? Vacuum will create. Get it?
Yes, sir.
Now to fill that vacuum, water from the well or from the tank take this position and it moves into the upward direction. So it is not mean that when impeller start, it directly suck water from the sump. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Up to that it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then when water throws outward direction into the casing, with that water two energies are available. One is the pressure energy and another one is the velocity, or we can say kinetic energy. Okay. As here we have pressure energy and kinetic energy. When it enters into the casing, the diameter of casing goes on increasing. So as the area goes on increasing, here pressure will goes on increasing and velocity goes on decreasing. And with that we can lift water into the at a certain height, or we can say at a required height. So the same process will continue up to which that shaft start rotating. It means we have converted that shaft rotation into the hydraulic energy. Okay, hydraulic, पाणी उंचावरती उचललं म्हणजे आपण त्याच्यामध्ये पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी ऍड केली. इज दॅट करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सो पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी त्याच्यामधून कशामुळे आले? फॉर दॅट वी हॅव टू यूज मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी. Okay, for mechanical energy we have to use electrical energy. Again that electrical energy came from mechanical energy, from the turbine. Okay, so this process is going on and the centrifugal pump can work. So what are the benefits of centrifugal pump? Okay, have you understood the working of centrifugal pump?
Yes, sir.
Now I have one question. If if I am not doing priming, okay, if we do not do any type of priming and if we start the motor, so what will happen?
Vacuum does not create uh, and some water is not getting suction by.
1 second.
सर लास्ट इयरचं म्हणजे एफ वायचं फायनल
Okay, what will happen? Some in chat says, sir, area is inversely proportional to the pressure. No, where is area is inversely proportional to? Pratiksha?
सर तुम्ही मगाशी म्हटलेला ना की केसिंगचा एरिया वाढल्यानंतर तिथं प्रेशर पण इन्क्रीज होईल.
हा.
बट सर एरिया इन्क्रीज झाल्यावर प्रेशर कमी होणार ना.
No, velocity will increase at that time. हे आपल्याला असं वाटतं की मी त्याच्यासाठी एक्झाम बर्नॉलिस थेरम जो आहे तो त्याच्यासाठीच तुम्हाला सांगितला होता. ओके, बर्नॉलिस थेरम काय म्हणतो, ज्या वेळेला आपल्याला असं वाटतं की आपण पाईप ज्या वेळेला एखादं पाणी देत असतो एखाद्या रोपाला आणि लांबच्या रोपाला जर पाणी द्यायचं असतं आपल्याला, त्यावेळेला आपण त्याच्यावरती अंगठा ठेवतो, बरोबर आहे. मग ते पाणी
थोडं
थोडंसं
सर.
पुढं जातं. मग आपण त्यावेळेला म्हणतो की प्रेशर वाढवला, पण ऍक्च्युली आपण तिथं प्रेशर ड्रॉप करत असतो आणि व्हेलॉसिटी इन्क्रीज करत असतो. ओके.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if my question is, if I am not doing priming, so what will happen? So some of you saying that vacuum is not created. Why vacuum will not create? There will be air, some air will be there, so vacuum will create. Yes. Okay, vacuum will create, negative pressure will create, but it is because of the air having very less density, negligible density as compared to the water. But there is problem, one more problem is that due to the difference in the density, that vacuum which is created by the air cannot, what we can say, suck the water into the vacuum. त्याची कॅपॅसिटी नाही त्या एअर व्हॅक्यूमची तेवढी तयार होत. Do you get it what I am talking? So why priming is necessary? Yeah, pump moves blankly. Okay, pump will move blankly. But what happen, I will tell you. If I start pump, okay, if I start pump, impeller will start rotating, so vacuum is created here, but which is of air vacuum, okay. So due to that air vacuum, actually it is airtight passage, some very small amount of air is also there, so due to that also it will not suck water from that much level, okay. So due to that, priming, no sucked water from the sump. So the capacity of vacuum created by air is very less and it cannot lift the water from the sump. For example, एखादा लहान 3-4 वर्षाचा मुलगा किंवा मुलगी तुमच्याकडे पळत आली तर तुम्ही त्याला आले की लगेच असं उचलून घेऊ शकता. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
consider you as a water and that small kid as a air. म्हणजे ती एअरचं किड जे आहे, जे लहान मुलं आहे तुमच्याकडे आलं तर तुम्ही उचलून घेऊ शकता. परंतु जर तुम्ही त्याच्याकडे पळत गेला तर ते तुम्हाला उचलून घेऊ शकेल का? No. Why? Because he or she do not have that much capacity. You have that capacity, so you can lift it. lift him or her. Okay, this is take as an example. Okay, फक्त example म्हणून घ्या हे समजण्यासाठी. Okay, so if we stop this pump and if we have to start again, then it is necessary to do priming. Do you get my question? जर मी पंप थांबवला, बंद केला आणि 15 मिनिटांनी परत चालू केला तर प्राइमिंग करण्याची गरज आहे का? No. Very good, very correct answer. And why it is not necessary?
Already water.
Already water is available. Why this water is not drained out into that sump?
Football.
Because of that non-written wall. Because of that,
Non-written wall.
yeah, correct. Okay, okay, you understood all these things. Okay. So I think you have already drawn this diagram. In that diagram, do one thing, that direction of impeller, please change it, otherwise it will not give required water to you.
Repeat working shortly.
Working. Okay, see, when we start the motor, okay, due to the EMF or flux, okay, magnetic flux or EMF, we can say, the shaft start rotating. It means electrical energy converted into the mechanical energy. On that shaft we fitted, or on that shaft impeller is fitted. We are not fitted, all it is already fitted. So on that shaft impeller is fitted, and that impeller also start rotating. Okay, as shaft start rotating, impeller also start rotating. So as impeller start rotating, due to the rotation, centrifugal force acting on the water which is available into that impeller. Okay, here is the water filled already at the time of priming. So due to centrifugal force, this water throws outside with the pressure energy and kinetic energy. Due to that, vacuum is created at this area into the impeller. Here you can say, here vacuum is created. To fulfill that vacuum, it sucks water, nearest water, into that vacuum, and this water again throws into the casing. The same process is going on up to the sump, and finally water sucks from the sump. Here we have pressure energy and kinetic energy. Both energies are there when it throws outside the impeller. After that, the casing is mounted surrounding to the impeller in such a way that the area of casing goes on increasing. It means passage from the impeller and casing goes on increasing. So due to that, pressure energy goes on increasing and kinetic energy goes on decreasing.
Decreasing.
So we got maximum pressure here when water leaves the pump. This water having maximum pressure energy and very less kinetic energy. We cannot say 0%. Okay, theoretically we can say here it is 0% kinetic energy, but in actual practical we cannot say it is 0. Okay, so with this water can lift into the upward direction. With that pressure energy, water now lift into the upward direction. Okay, and this process goes on continually. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Is anybody having any doubt? If someone having in yes,
Timings important. Double समजून सांगा.
प्रायमिंग ही प्रोसेस असे मराठीतून सांगतो आता. प्रायमिंग ही प्रोसेस अशी आहे. प्रायमिंग म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा प्रायमिंग म्हणजे काय आहे? प्रायमिंग म्हणजे फिलिंग ऑफ आउटसाइड वॉटर ओके मॅन्युअली और यू कॅन यूज पाईप और वॉट एव्हर यू इट अवेलेबल. इथून पाणी याच्यामध्ये ओतायचं. ते कुठंपर्यंत ओतायचं? ज्याच्यामध्ये ही पाईप भरली पाहिजे पूर्ण सक्शन पाईप. त्याच्यानंतर हे केसिंग पूर्ण भरलं पाहिजे आणि मग या डिलिव्हरी वॉलपर्यंत हे केसिंग पूर्ण भरून डिलिव्हरी वॉलपर्यंत आपण पाणी भरतो. या प्रोसेसला प्रायमिंग म्हणतो आपण. हे प्रायमिंग का गरजेचं आहे? कारण जर आपण प्रायमिंग केलं नाही तर हा पंप आपल्याला वॉटरचं डिस्चार्ज देऊ शकत नाही. कारण इथे जे क्रिएट होणारं व्हॅक्यूम आहे हे व्हॅक्यूम इथून वॉटर सक करू शकत नाही संपमधून. ओके. जर हे पूर्णपणे आता पाणबुडीमध्ये बघा हे सक्शन पाईप नाही, हा पंप डायरेक्टली बुडवलेला आहे. त्याच्यामुळे तिथे डायरेक्टली वॉटर व्हॅक्यूम क्रिएट झाले की वॉटर एकदा घेतलं की ती कंटिन्युअस वरती घेऊ शकते. ओके. Yes. Anuradha saying, can you share notes of this topic in the teaching diary? Yeah, of course, I will share. Of course, I will share notes, MCQs. Don't worry about that. Get it? Okay,
Yes,
I think our time is towards ending. I will erase this. So give your attendance. Roll number 1,
Present.
2,
yes, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Present, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13. 13 is there. Ganesh. 14,
Present, sir.
15,
Present, sir.
16. 16 absent.
Present, sir.
Okay. 17,
Present, sir.
18. 18 absent. 19,
Present.
20,
Present, sir.
21. 21 नाही काय? ओके पृथ्वीराज. 22, 22 absent. 23, 24.
Present, sir.
Okay. 25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32,
Present, sir.
33,
Present.
34,
Present, sir.
34, 35,
Present, sir.
36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present.
38, 38, 39. Okay, Prathamesh.
Present, sir.
40, 41,
Present, sir.
42,
Sir.
43, 44, present. 45,
Present, sir.
45, absent. 46, 46,
Present, sir.
okay. 47,
Present, sir.
48,
Present, sir.
49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54, 54 नागने वैभव, 55, 55 नेट के यश, 56,
Present, sir.
57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
58 म्हणतोय मी. हा आला. 59 पण आला. ठीक आहे. 60,
Yes, sir.
61,
Yes, sir.
62,
Yes, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
Okay. So absent roll numbers. Roll number 18, 22, 38, 45 and 54. Okay, 45 Snehal, you are present. Okay. ठीक है. With this, we will stop here. Thank you all of you. Please write whatever you understand from this centrifugal pump in your own language. Construction, working in that priming. For priming, you have to write one definition. Priming is necessary, and then write construction of this pump and then working. Okay. Thank you all of you.